Hello everyone. Let's solve this problem very quickly. We have square root of 4 over 5 to the power of x minus 9 equals 64 over 125. Okay, how do I deal with this? Remember that we are looking for square root of 4 over 5, right? And that will be the same thing as 4 over 5 to the power of 1 over 2, but then the power outside will still be there, and that is x minus 9, and this will be equal to, now 64 here is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4, and then over 125 is 5 times 5 times 5, right? Okay, so we can't cancel anything there, but then this is what we are going to do. Now, if you have different powers like this, again, you can multiply the powers. So if we do that, we'll have 4 over 5 to the power of x minus 9, and that will be over 2, right? Because we're multiplying it by half, which will be equal to, here we have 4 to the power of 3 over 5 to the power of 3. Okay, now let us continue. From here, we still have 4 over 5 to the power of x minus 9 over 2, which will be equal to, from here, since we have 3 as the power for the both of them, we can combine this and get 4 over 5 to the power of 3. Okay, it has not changed anything. And from here, if you watch clearly, you will see that we have the same base. Okay, we have 4 over 5, 4 over 5. We can now work with the powers, which is x minus 9 over 2 equals 3. And then from here, we can cross multiply, so we get the value of x. This is over 1. X minus 9 times 1 will give us x minus 9, and that will be equal to 2 times 3, which will be 6. And from here now, our x will be equal to 6 plus 9, and our x is equal to 15. But then let's get back the original equation and put in the value of x. Are we going to be correct? Okay, so this is the original equation, and we have x to be equal to 15. Let's put it here. So we have 4 over 5, square root of 4 over 5 to the power of x is now 15. Then we have minus 9. Okay, and then if we continue, we have 4 over 5 to the power of 15 minus this will give us 6. Okay, but then, sorry, this is square root. Now, the square root there can be removed. So we have 4 over 5 to the power of 1 over 2 because of the square root. And then we will multiply the next power there, which is 6. And then remember what the law says, that you can always multiply the powers. So we're going to have 4 over 5 to the power of 6 over 2, because you can always multiply the power, and this will give us 4 over 5 to the power of 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And this is the same thing as 4 to the power of 3 over 5 to the power of 3, right? And 4 to the power of 3 will give us 64. And then 5 to the power of 3 will give us 125. And remember that this is what we got on the right hand side of the equation, 64 over 125. And now this is a confirmation that x equal to 15 is actually very correct.